The B1HT thermostat is a dimming type thermostat. This means it controls the temperature by varying how much power is sent to the heater to control at your set temperature. The B1HT is extremely accurate at monitoring and adjusting the temperature inside the vivarium. The HT version uses a higher temperature range than the standard model and is ideal for reptiles that require hotter temperatures such as bearded dragons and Uromastyx. The B1HT can control up to 600 watt of heaters and does not have a minimum load, so is suitable for all types of heaters, for example heat bulbs, ceramics, heat mats and heat cable. Setting up the B1HT is really easy. Connect the mains power cable from the thermostat to a plug socket near your vivarium. The green power LED will illuminate whenever the thermostat is powered on. Next, plug the heater that you are using into the heater socket on the thermostat. Positioning of the sensor is very important to allow you to achieve a temperature gradient inside the vivarium. The sensor is coated black to allow it to measure radiant heat, which is the best way to measure the air temperature inside the vivarium. The sensor should be positioned at least 9 inches away from the heat source. The sensor should not be fixed flat against the wall of the vivarium, as this will give the thermostat false readings. We recommend the sensor should be at least 4 inches from the walls of the vivarium. The sensor measures the temperature at the tip of the probe, which means the end of the vivarium nearer the heater will be slightly warmer than the set temperature, and the end farthest from the heater will be cooler. This gives your vivarium the temperature gradient that is required to allow your reptile to move into the heat or away from it to cool down. The only exception to this is if you have no option but to install a heat mat inside the vivarium. We do not recommend installing a heat mat underneath substrate inside the vivarium, as this restricts the airflow across the heat mat. But if this is your only option, the sensor must be placed directly on top of the heat mat and the temperature dial adjusted to achieve your required temperature inside the vivarium. Setting the temperature on the B1HT is very simple. The temperature can be controlled from 29 to 45 degrees Celsius. The temperature control dial is anti-tamper, which means you will need to use a small flathead screwdriver to adjust it. The reason for this is that the temperature cannot be accidentally knocked or adjusted by a child. Simply turn the adjuster clockwise to turn the temperature up to that required by your reptile. The green power LED on the thermostat will be lit when the thermostat is plugged into the mains. The yellow LED allows you to see how much power is being sent from the thermostat to the heater. It will be full brightness when full power is being sent to the heater, and dim accordingly to represent the power level being sent to the heater. When no heat is required, the yellow LED will be off. All microclimate thermostats come with a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. All microclimate products are designed and manufactured in the United Kingdom. For more information and to see the other products in the microclimate range, please visit our website www.microclimate.co.uk.